Hi friends, this is Loli. Today I'm participating in the Decorate My Space challenge, and it is hosted by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescape by Candy, and the guest host is designed with Emma. As co-hosts we have At Home with Lisa, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Sasou Glam Style, DIY with Aurea, the Aria Lifestyle, and myself, Loli from LoliDs Creations. In this collaboration, we're just going to show you how we decorate different places in our home. I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned for some amazing creations. I will be redecorating my tier tray, so let's jump in right into it. I'm going to start by removing all my Valentine's Day tier tray projects that I did this Valentine's Day season. If you'd like to watch that video, I will link it in my description box below, and I will probably put it on the video as well. And once I have a blank canvas, I just dusted everything off, and I'm going to come in with my new creations for spring. First, I'm going to be using this little planter. I'm going to put it at the top as the centerpiece for this table tray decoration, and then here I'm going to be using this little decor piece I made. I made actually all of these pieces that I'm using me doing here, and if you like to see how I created them, you can look at my video description box below. You'll see the link to the video, or I will probably link it onto the video as well. This one was a little bit bigger than I thought, so it didn't fit the way that I had anticipated it will fit when I created it, so I had to get a little creative here. So here I'm trying to find what will be the best placement for it, because it just went with this. It needed to be here somehow, some way. So I'm trying to find that somehow and some way. So first I put it just there. So let me just play around with the other pieces that I made, and then I will try to figure out the best placement for that big flower that I made that I thought it was a lot smaller than it actually was. My way of learning from this experience is measure your space before you create something for it. But I made it work. Alright, enough talking. You can just enjoy the rest of the video. But wait, don't forget to look for that playlist link on my description box below and visit all these amazing creators. Okay, that's it. Folks, thanks for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. If you'd like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And thank you so much again. Bye.